So the structure of leaf includes showing the leaf. You see at the base there is axillary bud, there is stipule, there is leaf base at the base, and around that stipule and axillary bud. Above that there is petiole. It is kind of long structure. Then lamina or leaf blade. Then second diagram there is reticulate venation. You see there is a network of venlets and veins. You see there is midrib. So this is reticulate venation. And then parallel venation, there are parallel veins. Then compound leaves includes pinnately compound leaf, palmately compound leaf. There are types of leaves, that is simple and compound. In compound, pinnately and palmately includes rachis, which is midrib, nerve phyllotaxy, alternate opposite wall. You see in the diagram types of phyllotaxy, alternate opposite wall. It is arrangement of leaves. See alternate opposite and word. You see now the modification of leaves out of syllabus. Then the inflorescence, there is inflorescence, two types of inflorescence, racemose and cymose. You see in the diagram, first racemose inflorescence continues to growth, and cymose inflorescence terminates into flower. Now the flower includes the thalamus of the receptacle. It is swollen end. Then flowers can bisexual, unisexual, can actinomorphic, that is radial symmetry, zygomorphic and actinomorphic, and asymmetric. Now trimers, tetramers, pentamers, these are the flowers. Flowers can bracteate, ebracteate. So the position of floral parts on thalamus. Uh, the flowers can be hypogynous. You see in the first diagram. Ovary at the highest position. So ovary at the highest position. These are hypogynous flower. In second and third diagram, these are perigynous. The ovary is in inferior, half superior. And in third diagram, the fourth diagram, it is epigynous. That is ovary is inferior. So this is it. Like flowers can be hypogynous, perigynous, and epigynous. Now parts of flower includes calyx, corolla, calyx and corolla. You see, so calyx can be gamosepalous, polysepalous. Corolla, you see in gamosepalous, sepals united, polysepalous, sepals free. So corolla, gamopetalous, polypetalous. There is aestivation. So there is aestivation, that is velvet, twisted velvet aestivation, twisted aestivation, imbricate aestivation, vexillary or papillonaceae aestivation. So types of aestivation in corolla: velvet, twisted, imbricate, vexillary. You see in the first diagram, it is velvet, then twisted, then not in direction, that is imbricate, vexillary. So this is it. Now endoecium includes staminode, a sterile stamen. Stamen includes anther and filament. Then can be epipetalous and epiphyllous. The stamens can be monoadelphous, diadelphous, and polyadelphous. Now gynoecium, you see ovary includes stigma, style, and ovary. Now gynoecium includes stigma, style, and ovary. There is placenta, that ovules arising from placenta, and then carpels can be apocarpals, that is free, syncarpals, that is fused. Now placentation, that is the arising from the ovules arising from placenta. It is cushion like structure, can be marginal, axial, parietal, free, central, or basal. See in the diagram types of placentation, that is marginal in the first diagram showing, then axial in the second diagram, then third diagram parietal, then fourth diagram that is free, central, and fifth diagram that is basal placentation. Now fruits, there are parthenocarpic fruit, the pericarp, that is wall of fruit. Okay, then can be epicarp, mesocarp, endocarp. You see parts of a fruit: mango, coconut, showing outside epicarp, then mesocarp, seed, and endocarp. And epicarp is absent in coconut. These are drupe fruit, coconut and mango. Then seed, there are two types of seeds, dicot and monocot. In structure of dicot seed, showing testa, tegmen, hilum is a scar. There is microphyll above the hilum. So xylem is a scar, and above that there is micropyle. Seeds can endosperm. Now structure of dicot seed showing seed coat xylem. Above that there is micropyle. Then plumule radicle cotyledon. Now structure of monocot seed showing alluran layer. You see alluran layer separating embryo from endosperm. So structure of monocot seed, you see endosperm, embryo, then seed coat and fruit wall is fused in maize-like cereals, then areolon layer below that, then endosperm, then scutellum in embryo. There is coleoptile, there is plumule and radicle, polyrhiza covering the radicle. So semi-technical description of a typical flowering plant. You see this diagram. Okay, there is only one family that is showing, that is Solanaceae, that is potato. So vegetative characters include stem, leaves, floral characters, inflorescence, flower, calyx, corolla, endocyme, gynoecium, fruit, seeds, floral formula, economic importance, and all that. Plus bisexual, K5U, C5U, A5U, all fused together. G below that, two fused. So this is it.